Welcome to our video on how best parents can protect their kids on their mobile devices. As technology continues to advance, mobile devices have become an integral part of our daily lives, and it's important for parents to ensure that their kids are using them safely. Here are some tips on how to protect your kids on their mobile devices. Set up parental controls. Most mobile devices have built-in parental controls that allow you to set limits on the apps and websites that your kids can access. You can also set time limits on device usage, and monitor your kids' activity. Install monitoring software. There are several apps available that allow you to monitor your children's activity on their mobile devices, including their text messages, calls, and social media activity. This can help you keep an eye on what they're doing and who they're communicating with. Educate your kids on safe internet use. Teach your kids about the dangers of sharing personal information online, such as their name, address, and phone number. They should also be taught to never click on suspicious links or enter personal information into unknown websites. Use the device's security features. Encourage your kids to use a passcode or fingerprint to lock their device, and to enable the Find My Device feature in case the device is lost or stolen. Have open and honest conversations with your kids. Talk to your kids about the potential risks and dangers of using mobile devices, and encourage them to come to you if they ever feel uncomfortable or unsafe online. By implementing these tips, kids can help ensure that their kids stay safe while using mobile devices. Remember, it's important to stay vigilant and to keep the lines of communication open with your kids to ensure their safety. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this helpful in protecting your children's safety on mobile devices.